In this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Gmail. So there's essentially two different ways to go and do this. Now, which method you use depends on what type of name you want to go and update. So if you just want to go and update your nickname just in the Gmail application, then you can click on Settings in the top right hand side, click on See All Settings, click on Accounts and Import. Next to Send Mail As, click on Edit Info, and you can see currently that it's just pulling our name from our Google account. But what we can do is go and check this box, and then we can just set ourselves a nickname to use specifically in the Gmail application. And once you've done that, you can press Save Changes, and that's the first way to go and update your name. The second method is by updating your name on your entire Google account. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, click on Manage your Google account, select Personal Info in the left hand side. Underneath Basic Info, click on Name, and then you can just go and set a new name for your Google account. Now do bear in mind that this will affect all of the different platforms connected to Google. So that's everything from Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, basically everything. So if you're happy to do this, just go and update your name here and then press Save. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.